Morning guys, this is vlog 42. This is PHON-ER Gold. We are on our way to our vendor today because we got some special the order repairs that came through that think that we don't have. It's Samsung charging port, etc, etc. So we're on our way, and I just messed up my hair. It's okay. With the bag is always hunting me. Yeah, so we are on our way to get all those parts because it's out of our normal part that we get because it's Samsung. We don't usually do Samsung, we just do iPhone mostly. So we're on our way there to get the stuff and then just go and then take care of that. And so we'll keep you tuned when we get there. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you right back. Peace. Alright. Hey guys, we are almost here at the vendor to get some parts for Samsung and some other stuff, and then we're gonna go to Golden West, the meat company that we always go to. So we're going to do a Samsung S6 Edge charging port, and then we're going to do a iPhone 6s battery swap because the battery is old. And then we are going to do another iPhone, which I'm not sure what model it is yet because I will find out when I get there. But we'll definitely keep you in the loop and have that coverage for you coming your way soon. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Thanks for watching. That's a piece cut. See you soon. Peace. Hey guys, we are back. We're driving still to Vernon, California, which is the Golden West company to do the Samsung and iPhone. We're kind of in a jam right now. There's a little traffic, but it's just normal because it's 2:40. Around that time, things start to get already congested, so it's just totally natural. So we're not really fussing about it. Just saying, sharing, caring. So we will see you soon when we get there. In the meantime, you can enjoy the traffic with the time lapse. Enjoy guys. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. We're almost there. Hey guys, I'm almost here. We are almost pulling up right now to Golden West Food Group. They took a little while, but it's traffic hour, but we're right here. Just about to pull in. It's right there, Golden West. The checkpoint gate.
You have arrived at your destination. The route guidance is now finished.
Hey guys, I finally parked. I had to go around where the truck entrance is. I had to go through the truck entrance because the front gate was closed and I was waiting for nothing. So good thing I was told to go through the front gate, the back gate. But I'm just getting my bag that I already have my parts there, pretty packed up, ready to go. Let's do this. I'm gonna log the thing off now, and then I'll be back with the phone again, with the camera on. So give me a sec and I'll be right back. Peace. Okay. Hey guys, we are doing this then. Hey, yeah, looking for you. So pretty much everything is great. Everything is done. I tested everything, and now I'm just testing the battery to make sure it does a good charge. Because every 1 minute and 10 seconds, it's supposed to give you 1%.
Oh, okay.
So you have to, and I will test that because this way you never have to call me again. Oh, and by the way, I did a really good job in making the frame straight, so now the screen sits flush. Did I check it out?
No, that's fine. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so I went the extra mile. And then this thing is the reason why your phone kept touching things, because like I showed you last time, I don't know if I did, but right here, this little thingy, this where the little orangey thing is, that part has to have a chip, and yours was missing the chip. It was broken, you know?
Yeah.
So I put a new one. I'm gonna keep this. And so now it works. So let's say if we're doing your, let's see, 19. Let's see, like, you see? This off. No one can have it. It works better with the ear because it's warm. This is black. Yeah. Cool. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, it's charging is good. It's fine. Cool. We're good. Okay guys, so now we're gonna have to open this thing. And for that we need playing cards. We're changing the thing, the charging port right here. Which is bad. Right here. We have to open anything. Charging cord. The old one broken down. That bad. One. Thank you guys for watching. That was a Samsung S6H that we changed the charging port, and now everything works. Everything is good, I'm sure. And we're just waiting for the owner to come so we can just give it to him. So thank you for watching. That's Samsung S6H, and that's a cut piece wrap. It's a wrap. Hey guys, here's all the stuff in the Golden West, and now I am taking off my car, and at 5 o'clock I literally feel like I just did a 9 to 5, and I didn't. I only did like 3 to 5, 2 hours. Got some money paid. Now I'm about to head out to LA. See what happens. We'll keep you in the loop. Thank you for watching, guys. This is PHON-ER Gold. This is vlog 42. Have a beautiful, beautiful day, and we'll be back if we have anything more for you. Peace. Cut. That's a wrap.